Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing fine. Welcome to my channel Python with Prem, and this is my first channel. And myself Prem Kumar, I am a certified Python full stack developer with a good experience in data analysis, data visualization and machine learning concepts. Here I would be sharing my knowledge and teaching Python from basic scratch to advanced through my daily upcoming videos. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for daily videos to make yourself a skilled and a professional Python full stack developer. So here let us talk about introduction to Python. In this concept we are going to talk about history of Python, what is Python, why Python is popular and uses of Python. So let us talk about a brief introduction of history of Python. The Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released on February 20, 1991. He developed it as the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands, and it's derived from many languages like C, C++, etc. The name of Python programming language comes from the old BBC television, which is a comedy sketch series called Monty Python's Flying Circus. Now let's talk about a brief on what is Python. Python is a high level language. We call Python as a high level language because it's in human readable format. For more describe, let us print an hello world in Python language. We need to print hello world. So anyone can able to understand that we are going to print the string hello world, which is in human readable format. So Python is called as a high level language. And Python is called a dynamically typed because compared to C language and Java, we don't need to declare any type of the variable, as Python is an automatically declares the type of the variable. So we call it a dynamically typed because the type of variable and memory allocation takes place during runtime. Python is an object oriented language because the creation of classes and objects are able. Now Python is an interpreted general purpose programming language. We call Python as an interpreted language because in Python language the programming language execution takes line by line. Whenever a program comes with an error, the program gets terminated, and often use it to build websites and software to automate tasks and analyze the data. So now let us talk about a brief about why Python is popular. Python is popular because it's for web application and software development, because you can create a complex multi-protocol applications while maintaining a concise readable syntax. In fact, some of the most popular applications were built with Python. Python is a top preferred language for data science and research because it has a simplified syntax and not complicated, which gives more emphasis on natural language. Due to its ease of learning and usage, Python code can be easily written and executed much faster than other programming languages. It's more productive because it has control capabilities and integration features that can be made applications more productive, and it's easy to learn. When compared to other languages, Python is the most easy language. It's an open source because we don't need to pay any money to use this Python or to install this Python. It's an open source and available for all the users, and offers a powerful library for data analysis, visualization and an excellent machine learning libraries because it has a lots of cool tools made by huge community of developers, and it's one of the flexibility, readability and a platform independent language. We call Python as a platform independent language because we can run the program on any other operating systems like Windows, Linux or any other language like C or Java. And it's a dynamic type. Already we discussed that type of variable and memory allocation takes place during runtime, not during the compile time. And let us talk a brief about uses of Python. Python is commonly used for developing websites, data analysis, data visualization, since it's relatively easy to learn and practice. Python has been adapted by many non-programmers because it's easy of learn and maintainability and easy to understand the code, such as accountants and scientists for variety of everyday tasks like organizing finance. The most popular language used are AI and machine learning. Python is most commonly used and it's a more powerful tool to use in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So this was all about introduction to Python. Thank you for watching my video, and I would be uploading daily videos on Python from basic to advanced. So please stay tuned to learn more about Python in the further videos, and please like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for further updates. And for any doubts or feedback, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment box. Thank you.